how to turn off Xbox achievement and notifications. So in here, the very first thing that we need to do is get into our settings. So for that, open your Xbox, make sure you're logged into your account, then press on the X button on your controller. You'll be able to see settings. From here, what are we going to do is simply select account and then select privacy and online safety. So then from there, what are we going to do is now navigate to profile and system. Simply select profile and system and tab system, then you can select settings. Then from here you can select view details and customize. After doing that, you need to select status to only friends. So after doing that, you can now customize your key notification settings, from where you can navigate to notifications and to game notifications, customize all game alerts. You can turn achievement toggle to off, and then from there you can now review all of the settings and then select confirm and close, and now you will successfully be able to disable achievement notifications just like this. So yeah, that is all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.